What's going on, everyone? It's Drew with New Beginners Landscaping. Package has arrived. Check it out. I did open it already, but I haven't actually looked at it yet, so it's the first view of it. All American Sharpener. Now before I do that, I will say I ordered this 48 hours prior and it came in the mail. I don't know if that's all the time, but 48 hours it was at my door. That's unbelievable. That's already a good thing in my book. So we're gonna open it up here and well, let's get it out of the way. That's packing slip, but you got your instructions pretty much here. But, set that to the side, and here she is. There's a bracket, and I'm gonna have to try to set this. Pull it out of the box. Wow! And this is it. For your swing arm there. Come up and shoo, shoo. Alright, I'm gonna have to figure out a different angle with this. That's what it is, right there. This is it. Hold on a second, I'm gonna have to try to figure something out with this camera. So basically this is it. I'm gonna put it together and we'll mount it in a few, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it all together now and get back with you. Looks like he's got a business card in there. All American Sharpener. Yeah, it looks pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna put this together and I will be back in just a second. Okay, so if I would have known that it was that simple, I wouldn't have cut you off. This is it. For these two screws, you just need right here 7, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's 7/32 Allen wrench. And then these, I didn't know what these were to start with, but these are actually your guide pins, and they're threaded different for your different size grinders. And to snug this down, you either need a 9/16 or a 14mm. So excuse the mess in here. It's a work in progress, but I didn't realize it was that simple to put together. Okay, so now we got that out of the way. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna mount it. Probably just gonna mount it on the porch for right now, because I don't have power out here. So I'll get everything taken over there, and you might have to mind the wind because it's pretty windy, and we start grinding on some blades. Be right back again. Yeah, I know ideally you're supposed to use a bolt, but I'm just temporary just to make this happen. But I found these washers here at work. I'm not exactly sure what they're called, but they got a real small hole in them, and because I knew I'd have to be using a screw, so I got these. And like I said, temporary, you know, this is gonna work. So It's not going anywhere. So now let's do, loosen this up. Wait a minute, I gotta come up a little bit. So now I should be able to just do a little dry run here. Just like that right there. But what what it's saying is, see how it's off center? What I'm gonna have to do is get the grinder from here to over here. So I'm gonna have to back out of this screw and make it to where it'll be over. You know, I can move the whole thing over. That way you're in the middle and you're using the middle of the grinder to do everything you need. So let's see here. This is tough, by the way. Just hand move a little bit there. Probably easier with two hands. Well, actually I know it'd be easier with two hands, but we're gonna make it work. We're getting there. And it's pretty close. Go a little bit more. That should do it. That should be good. I'm gonna go a little bit more just to put that down for a second. Take this out. Now that is it. Put it down. Alright. That's what it said you're looking for. So now what I have to do. Alright, see how flat that is? Right there. That is, I would almost call that perfect. I might tweak it just a little bit. Trying to, there you go. See how it's flat all the way across. So actually I'm gonna run with that. I'm not even gonna move that. So I'm gonna take this out, hit it down, and I'm gonna come back in a minute because I have somebody here. Stray cat we've been feeding for a while. Then had kittens, so they're all grown now. So we're gonna in the process of rehoming all of them. So we got some people here, so I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna be grinding up here while they're here. So I'll be back and then we're gonna grind. So hang tight. All right, guys. So we are ready for the first run, I reckon. So got it all set up. Just don't forget your hearing and your eye protection all the time. I'm not exactly sure how many passes need to be made, but a little close up. It's pretty good when you compare it to what it was. No, it's still not a sharp edge, which I know you're not supposed to have a sharp edge. So I might put a couple more passes on it just to kind of straighten it out a little bit. But I'm gonna flip it over real quick. I like it. You can see these is kind of a little bit far gone, but it really does. Up here at the top up here, I have to kind of go a little bit farther with the grinding. As you can see, let's see this one right here. You kind of see, yeah, you're starting to get a little gap right there. But you don't have to bring it all the way back to that. Just as long as you got a good cutting edge. This last one, let's see here. This last one, you can really see, you know, it's got a pretty good, it's not sharp, you know, I still can rub my finger on it. It's not sharp, but it's got a lot better edge. It's really sharp actually down here, but first impression though, I really like it. Only downside, and the downside is my fault because I don't have a shop table. I'm doing this on my porch, so you know, I'm kneeling down. But other than that, I really like it. I've got quite a few. I got, let's see if I can see which one it was. Like this one, you can see that that's really far. And then one of these I thought was pretty far gone. So what I'm gonna do is actually make that a test. I mean, they're not, I doubt I can bring those back. So what I'm gonna do is actually do like a test with it and see how far, kind of take it back, change the angle on it a little bit just to try, and I'll do that one set like that. But so far I really like it, and we're gonna put you on a little time lapse. I'm gonna set you up on a tripod. Shh, hey, set you up on a tripod and put you on a little time lapse real quick. So let's get into it and get all these knocked out. All right, number 6. This many. I'm trying to finish this video. I've got my arms stretched out as far as I possibly can. It didn't record the time lapse or the final thoughts, so I'm giving it to you now. If this works, if not, I'm just gonna put it in the end of the video. I really recommend it. I liked it a lot. Even after one use, I liked it. But that's pretty much it. I really did like this simplicity of the whole thing. But leave me a comment what you guys are using to sharpen your blades, and shoot me a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to try to put out at least one video a week from now on. I'm going to give it a shot and see where we can go with that. So we'll see you guys on the next one.